Okay, so when I went to ship the package, it's kind of a good thing that I didn't actually wait to get the little clear label pouch thing, because they don't have them in there. So I have to go online at my account here and order those. If they have them here. That's not the right one there. I'm under free supplies, shipping supplies, free supplies. I'm beginning to think they don't have them on here. Ah, here we go. I guess this is them. I'll order these as well, just in case. Yeah, I'm gonna put 5. Whoops. A maximum of 5. You can order 1 through 5. And keep shopping. Then 5 of these. I don't think this is the right one. I think the other one was. Well, that didn't make it much bigger. Well, anyway. Check out now. And my phone number's wrong on here. I'll edit out my information so I don't have to fool with all this on the video, but I'm changing my phone number. That had the company phone number, which I no longer use. And then you just click ship to this address or whatever address you want to use. And of course I ordered only free stuff, so if you wanted to order stuff to pay for, I don't know how that works. I've never actually bought anything, but I guess you'd have to just put your card on file or something. Or maybe PayPal, I don't know. I'm not sure how that would work. It doesn't say here, but anyway. Agree. Otherwise they won't send it. And then your regular postal person will bring those out the next day or two. And that's how to get free supplies. Although if you order, you can't really just order free supplies without using them for the post office to a degree. You can also order stamps and stuff like that, and they'll bring them out to you. I'm not completely sure what all you can order on here. But like if you order the priority boxes or the express boxes, you have to ship it priority mail express. You can't use these boxes for anything else or they will have a hissy fit. They probably won't even mail it because the price of the box, they get that money from the amount that you have to pay to ship. So all this stuff is free, but only if you use it appropriately. So anyway, here's where you get some really good stuff. Ooh, they got all kinds of pages. So anyway, I won't go through all the pages, but this is where you can order stamps and have them delivered and not have to go to the post office. And a lot of other stuff. I'm not sure what this stuff is. I'm sure somebody knows what this stuff is, but I don't. Anyway, um, I need more. I don't have time to go through all this right now. And then after a few days, these should arrive. Oddly enough, delivered by the post office. So let's see what we got here. Well, it had a rubber band around it. And one got messed up a little bit. That should be fine. I don't think these were the right ones. I think these are too big. I think these were the ones that I was really wanting. Although an actual label printer would probably be easier than all this. And that one made it with the rubber band still around it. Okay, let's see what we got, y'all. Yes, I think these are what I used to use to put the label in. Okay, so you put the label in here, then you pull this off and fold that down. I usually just put tape across that and not mess with all that stuff, but they'll send you this stuff for free as you need it. And I'm not sure what all they'll send you for free, but they do send a lot of stuff. Do be careful. I didn't order it. I've never actually ordered that. But if you order the priority mail tape, or any of that kind of stuff, you can't put it on anything that doesn't go priority mail. If you tape up a package and just put a small piece of priority tape on it, they're going to change that and charge you for priority shipping. It's just the way it is, because they don't know when they're sorting the mail, when it's got that on it, they can't spend time to try to decide, oh no, this was first class and not priority, it just has a little piece of priority tape on it. So they're not going to go through all that. If it's got anything that says priority on it, they're charging you for priority mailing. So just be careful. You can't order the priority mail tape. I've never done it because, well, I don't know why I've never done it. I've just never done it. Well, the boxes and stuff have priority on it.
Anyway, and I have priority stickers as well. But thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, especially subscribe. You don't have to ring the bell, but ring the bell if you want to. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or both, if you can do both. I don't know if you can do both. If you can, do both. I don't care. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.